Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, if today's the first day you've came across one of my videos and you're not subscribed, please click that little button right there. It says subscribe, it's yellow. I really do appreciate all your guys' support and all that. Hey, today I'm going to make a quick video for you guys on cooking a steak, actually 2 steaks, on a bed of coals. Now, if you guys didn't know this about me, I'm into survival and prepping all that stuff. I don't do a whole lot of like end of the world stuff like that. I'm not really into all that, but like a few things here and there on hand. I really do like preparing for outages and tornadoes, stuff like that. Nothing like zombies or anything like that. That's cool though. If you guys are into that, that's awesome. But I'm into survival stuff, like I said, and I've been coming across a lot of videos of people cooking food on top of rocks, like I did in my rock video. I'll put it up here. I cooked that big old tomahawk cowboy steak on a rock. Turned out perfect. But I've been coming across a lot of these videos. They're called caveman cooking, caveman style of cooking. And what they do is they cook steaks and other things on top of a bed of coals. And that's what I'm going to do for you today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, smash that like button for me if you would. If you're not subscribed, like I said before, please subscribe. And I hope you guys like this video. What I'm going to do now is just kind of spread these out a little bit evenly, because I got 2 steaks to cook on here. We don't want to get them too hot. We'll see how this goes. Might burn them. I don't know. This is the chuck eye cut. If you guys aren't familiar with this, I think it's a really great steak for a really expensive price. I was going to put it right here on top of the coals. Let's check this out. Let's see how it's turning out. Oh yeah, let's flip this one. Look at that. This actually looks like it's cooking really good. Take a look at these. It's cooking really nice. Man, I'm impressed you could cook these steaks like this. Okay guys, I think these steaks are pretty much medium rare, how I like it. I'm going to pull them off here, set them on my rock cutting board, you might say, and cut into them and show them to you guys, see how they turned out. Smells awesome, really easy to do. It's a lot of fun to do this too. So I hope I inspire some of you guys to get out there and start cooking. Like my uncle says, keep on cooking, grilling, and smoking. And I hope I inspire some of you guys to do that today. Hope you guys can see me. Hey, the beauty of this is I can throw it right back on top of the charcoal if they're not done. Let's cut into one of these. Ooh, that is a good medium. Man, I keep wanting to get medium rare, but you can see this. That looks awesome. Let me zoom in on it for you guys cutting into one of these. There's the medium rare I'm looking for. That's perfect. That's what I'm wanting right there. You see that? Perfect medium rare. Alright guys, let's try this out. Oh man. That's good stuff. I'll tell you what, guys, you can't even taste the charcoal on there at all. That's really good. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed with this open fire cooking personally myself. The rock cooking from the tomahawk cowboy steak, 2 pounds, to this, the chuck eye cut. Like I said before, guys, if you haven't tried a chuck eye steak, go to your local grocery store and ask for it because it's a cheap cut, but it's really, really good. And also another thing, don't forget about these old hickory knives I use in my videos. I've used this for over 2 years. Awesome knife, made in America, baby, America. But yeah, you guys, it's really inexpensive, like 10, 11 bucks. I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested in this. Great, they make great gifts. I gave several of these away for gifts, and I might end up doing another giveaway on one of these sometime. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. Let me show you the steak one more time. It is great. I can't even taste the charcoal on it at all. So good. If you guys aren't trying this stuff for your own, just experiment with your kids or whatever, you guys are missing out. This is some fun stuff. It's cool I really enjoy cooking this stuff over the open fire like that. First time I've ever did on open coals. I'll have to do this when we go camping next. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button for me if you would, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and before I get, if you guys are asking, the total cook time on these steaks is probably right at 10 minutes. Very easy to do. Not near as long. It took like 20, 25 minutes to cook that big tomahawk steak. These took like 10 minutes tops. Really easy to do, guys.